Hello, welcome back to Squint and Smint. We've recently put the 1600 crossflow into the car and we've polished the paintwork, so now it's lovely and shiny, and we're still on the countdown to the Classic Revival event at Buriram track, which is in 2 weeks time. So we're just now running through the car, doing the bits and pieces that we think will improve our competitive edge. And one of the things when I was out yesterday was I was getting some shaking from the steering on heavy braking. So we went through it this morning. We took the shock off with one of the nuts that was holding the shock insert in. It's a gas shock insert. That had come out a little bit, that had come loose a little bit, so it's really tightened that up. And that improved things, but there's still a little bit of a vibration there. I've already done the wheel bearings, so it's not that. So actually here I have a new old stock MK2 Escort rack. So just to cut any doubt, any problems, we're going to put the new rack on it. So we'll have new shock, new bearings, new brakes, new rack. Bushes are all good, and we should be good to go. This I'm going to do on time lapse. So here we go. I guess we're going to put some music in to cue the music. Here's the time lapse. Enjoy the change of a MK2 Escort steering rack. Cheers. Right then, so just torque these up. And use the rattle gun just to give them a little bit of a tension. Put the weight on them and then torque them up. £110 Newton meters. There we go, and we go for a spin. See you out on the road.